how you can make money with this free website here. This website I built, and this website is making money. So you can do it all yourself, guys. You don't need any technical skill, and this method works worldwide. And there's a two-way method where you can make money using this free website. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorial, guys. If you like this kind of videos like make money online or money saving tutorials, subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon, guys. We're gonna use this free website which I used a Google site to build it, and you're gonna make money from it. So how I do it, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it, guys. First, what you have to do, go to IDPLR or any PLR website, download bunch of ebook on any topic. Alright, so you don't have to pick any topic, but download a bunch of ebook on any topic, guys. Here there's a link in the description. If you click that, you can download 200 ebook. I already download bunch of them to my computer here, you can see here. So you can go to any PLR website and download this PLR ebook for you guys. After you download that, what you have to do is you need to put the pictures that you obtained from those ebooks as a cover here, and you put this one called download now. So you're gonna give this free ebook and you're gonna make money from it. There's a two-way system. So you can see there's a bunch of ebook I already uploaded on here. These are people can't download it because it's just an image, but I'm going to show you how you can make money from it. After you upload a couple of ebook onto your ebook covers into your site, you know what you have to do. Go to any affiliate marketing website like clickchamp or digistore, where you have to find a similar affiliate product for this ebook that you already uploaded. So there's a bunch of ebook on health and fitness, productivity, law of attraction. So you have to find those similar affiliate product on your ebook, guys. So for example, here there's an intermittent fasting formula. I already found a similar product. This is called custom keto diet. This is the product I want to promote. Now I'm going to show you the method one where you can make money from it. You need to go to a website called sricha.com where you can edit this PDF document. So you open this document for free. So click this one called upload PDF file and select your ebook form, guys. Select your ebook. So yeah, I have a bunch of them here. So this is my ebook. Now that you can see my ebook is uploaded on here. Now you can go through it, and what you have to do now is you need to find the chapter 1. This is the table of content. So you're gonna insert your affiliate link in the bottom of that document. So what you have to go do is click this one called text, and here click here, get your custom keto diet plan, something like that. So whatever the product that you promote, type it on here. And what you do now, click this one, highlight it here where you're going to insert your affiliate link. Go back to your affiliate product, click promote, click to generate a hop link, copy that, go back here, put it on here and enter. That link is applied here. Click apply the changes. You can upload it to multiple pages if you want, or you can target a specific pages. After a couple of seconds later, your ebook is ready to download. Now I'm going to show you how you can upload that into Google site, and second way to make money online. That you can see that your ebook is ready. So if you come down the bottom and select your introduction part, and then you can see this is the link is available. Now what you do here, download that. Now your ebook is downloaded, so you have to go to the other website called Google Drive where you can upload this ebook. But this site is not going to pay you money, but this is the platform where you're going to share that ebook for free, guys. So click this one called new file upload, go to download, upload that document, click open it, click the three dots on here, click share, click change anyone with this link. So anyone with this link can download this ebook. Copy that. Now you have to go to a website called this one, ok.iu, where you're going to share the link. So what happened is you're going to share the link from this website, shortened version of the link. So whenever people click it, you get paid for every single view. So you can make extra money from this website, even though people are not going to go to your affiliate page and buy the product. You can initially make money from this website as a passive income. So what you have to do, copy and paste the link here, click shorten, copy this shorten link. Now you have to go back to your Google site, which is this one, highlight this download button here, click this insert link button on here, paste that on here, click apply guys. There's a link is apply. Now what you do, click publish your channel website, which is put the title. Now you can see the website is up and running. Okay, then you can see people come down the bottom, click this button. If you click, it will take you to this page. They have to wait for it. They have to select an advertisement, click I'm not a robot, and click continue. And for every single view you get paid from this website. Now this is the URLs you can promote it and the following website, which I'm going to show you without getting blocked guys. So you have to go to Pinterest. That you can see these are the people are promoting free ebooks on the different website here. These are the pins. So you can create a similar pin and you're gonna post Google site link and not the shortened link, the Google site link here. You're gonna repeat that pattern on Facebook. You can join with free ebook pages and group, or you can join with specific group. So you are promoting various product, right? You can see, or you're promoting on stress, health and fitness, crab cycling. You can see motivations, Bitcoin, make money online. So what you have to do, join different pages and you have to promote where you can get those free ebooks so people can click and they come to your Google site guys. You can repeat that pattern on Quora. Quora definitely blocks spammy liking link, but they won't block Google site link. So you can answer a bunch of questions on Quora and you can promote your Google site link on there. Also you can, what you can do, go to kill up your articles, find the articles on any topic. So you can say health and fitness, so click open this articles, and what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste these articles. This is the article, copy and paste this article into Medium, and you can link back to your website, which is to your Google site, so people can have a choice to download a bunch of ebook for free. So what they do is they click download, it will take it to ok.io. So you're gonna get paid for every single view. Then if they download the ebook and read the ebook, and if they're interested in click the affiliate link, if they buy it from it, you can make larger commission from affiliate marketing. So there's a two-way system that initially you get paid for every single view of your ebook, and secondly, if they buy the product, you can make affiliate commission guys. So I hope guys you understand this method. Try it out yourself guys. It's completely free and you don't have to spend any money. Just try it out in your free time and let me know if it's working or not guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video guys.